How to achieve financial freedom in your 20s. When you're in your 20s, life feels like a storm of possibilities. College, career, relationships, and the big question, how do I manage my money so I don't end up broke forever? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss powerful tips about money and motivation. Now let's talk about achieving financial freedom in your 20s. Many people believe financial freedom is something you only think about in your 40s or 50s, after years of working hard. But the truth is, the habits you build in your 20s will either push you toward freedom or lock you into a lifetime of financial struggle. 1. Redefine financial freedom. Financial freedom doesn't mean owning a mansion or retiring by 30. At its core, it means control over your time and your choices. It means you're not drowning in debt, not living paycheck to paycheck, and not stuck in a job you hate just for the money. In your 20s, freedom begins with small wins, paying bills without stress, saving for opportunities, and creating options for your future. Master budgeting. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about awareness. Most people in their 20s lose money simply because they don't track it. Maybe $10 a day on coffee, $200 a month on subscriptions, or $400 on takeout. That's thousands a year gone with nothing to show for it. Use apps like Mint or even a simple spreadsheet. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Avoid bad debt. Credit cards, student loans, and car payments can chain you down for decades. Not all debt is bad, but borrowing for status or instant gratification is financial quicksand. A flashy car or designer clothes bought with credit isn't worth years of stress. The earlier you avoid toxic debt, the faster you can invest in things that actually build wealth. 4. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. Job loss, sickness, or car trouble. Without savings, one crisis can trap you in a cycle of borrowing. An emergency fund is your armor. Start with $500, then aim for 3 through 6 months of expenses. It won't feel urgent until the day you need it, and then you'll realize it was the smartest move you ever made. 5. Start investing early. Here's the truth. Time is your greatest asset. If you invest $200 a month at 22, you could have over $100,000 by 40. Wait until 30, and the difference is massive. Compound interest is the secret weapon of the young. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Instead, think like an entrepreneur. Could you freelance, start a side hustle? Sell digital products? The internet makes it possible to earn from anywhere. Build extra income streams now, and you'll be less dependent on any single job tomorrow. 7. Invest in yourself. The best investment is in your skills, knowledge, and mindset. Learn high-income skills like coding, design, or marketing. Read books, take courses, and surround yourself with people who push you to grow. Your 20s aren't just about making money. They're about shaping the person who will handle that money wisely. 8. Adopt the millionaire mindset. Most 20-somethings chase instant gratification. New phones, nights out, expensive trips. Millionaires think differently. They delay gratification, live below their means, and focus on growth. If you can control your desires now, you'll enjoy real freedom later. Wealth is built on discipline, not luck. Learn to say no. You'll get invited to trips, parties, and purchases you can't afford. Saying no isn't about missing out. It's about protecting your future. Every dollar invested in your 20s multiplies. Every dollar wasted disappears forever. Freedom is built one decision at a time. 10. Play the long game. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built with consistent saving, smart investing, and steady growth. By your 30s, the habits you form today will set you apart. The goal isn't just money, it's control over your life, your time, and your future. Boss closing message. So if you're in your 20s right now, don't waste this golden decade. Start small, stay disciplined, and build the habits that will set you free. Financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about the choices you make today. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more motivation and money tips. Your future self will thank you.